want some sauce?
Scene 1, Apple, take 1.
What's up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Where you at? I stole that from Elmo B, by the way. What we have here is a sports jacket that I haven't worn in a couple of years, but it's got a whole bunch of dust and dirt and everything on it. And I've got a couple more that are pretty much identical to this. But if we look inside the pockets here, we're not going to find any money or anything. But what we do see is that this is basically 98% wool. Okay, and it basically ends up saying right here, to dry clean only. What's going to happen to this if I end up just throwing it in the washer and I don't dry clean it? You ever wonder? I'm curious about this. Now, the last time I wore it, it fit. I'm going to throw this in the washer and I'm going to wash it with the rest of my stuff. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this gets completely ruined. So I have an identical one here that's brand new. And I just kind of took this out of its packaging. And we'll try this one on first and we'll compare it to the one that was washed. So this one, if I end up buttoning it, yeah, it fits. This is the new one. I haven't worn any of these in like 8-9 years. Let's put the one on that I had washed. It doesn't feel as crisp, that's for sure. Nothing that an iron can't take care of, but it definitely feels looser, more comfortable. But I think with an iron, well, the sleeves are not as long. They've kind of shrunk. It's a little tighter in the shoulders. It's a little tighter in the waist. I think that if you had a sports jacket and it was just a little too big, instead of taking it to the tailor, you could just wash it and then iron it. But yeah, it's a little tighter in the shoulders. Definitely, I can definitely feel it up here, and I can feel it right here too. And my dog is going crazy for some reason, I don't know why. But this did not end up as bad as I thought it would. I thought it would be a lot worse. You know? But how do you like them apples? Exactly. But it makes me feel a lot fatter. It definitely feels tighter. Yeah, I thought it would be a lot worse. I thought it would be a lot worse.